$9:25. Not bad. That's like 3 days ahead for me. I don't even think I'm a procrastinator anymore.
Recall, health inequities are harming women. It's why we're working for
It's 2:40 p.m. right now, I believe. So I'm getting a pretty late start to the day. I'm stressed. I have a headache. I woke up with a tension headache. I think I was kind of clenching my jaw in the night, so wasn't feeling particularly motivated. But regardless of my motivation, assignment's due in 2 days, and the next assignment's due in 3 days. So I don't have a choice.
chip away time more than they understand. An open end I'm waiting for, way before first line. And it's the edge worn clean again. Sunk in the middle, our crimes are just a rhythm on the west end. You are
Hello friends, I'm at the Gardner Museum right now before I was at the ROM, and I'm looking at some exhibitions because I'm in a curation exhibition class, so we have assignments, go figure, we have to look at exhibitions. So at the ROM I looked at a Flemish masters painting exhibition called Saints, Sinners, Lovers, and Fools. The thing that I found most interesting about it was that the Fools section was the one that felt the most realistic to me, in the way that it depicted regular life, having fun, jokes, stuff like that. But the Fools section was supposed to be essentially the Sinners section, versus all the other ones were like Greek mythology, or like these dignified portraits, or it was something of having an insane art collection private to your house that is unattainable. Yeah, the portraits that felt the most realistic to me of everyday people were the ones that were about how you get to hell. So that's kind of interesting. Now I'm at the Gardner Museum and I'm supposed to be looking at an exhibition called In Search of Imperfections in Japanese Porcelain or something like that. And I was actually, when I first saw it, I was just gonna like go to a different museum and pick something else, but one, I don't really think I have the time, and you know, it's good to challenge myself. The part for this exhibition specifically, separate from other Japanese porcelains in this museum, is it's only on the stairwell, basically. So that means it's hard to view because it goes really high, so to see all the stuff that's up high, you have to be far away from it. Second, it's inaccessible to people who can't use the stairs, so it limits the amount of people that are going to see it. And three, because it was called In Search of Imperfections or something like that, I was expecting to see like kintsugi, I think that's what it's called. They, frankly, they looked perfect. Like everything in the display cases for this exhibition like didn't seem to have any notable faults, which maybe is the point. I'm sure there's a way to read into that, but I found that just odd. Yeah, anyways, that's been me. I'm having a great time here on this little patio, especially because it's colder, nobody's here. Hello. It is a new day, believe it or not. I am wearing the same outfit. I have another set of process work due for my capstone project, which is due in April. I'm doing my project on concert fashion, as in what people wear to concerts, and looking at it as a method for building community. So I've been working with one set of images so far from the Dochi concert that happened a couple weeks ago. And one of the things I'm trying to address right now is the fact that all of the backgrounds for the photos are different because I'm just taking photos of wherever people are standing, and also the lighting changes because it starts with daytime when I start taking the photos, and then by the time like it's closer to when the concert starts, it's nighttime. So like there's not very much cohesion within the photos. Now I'm trying to do some different experimentation. I'm also want to take a zine approach to my project, which will be an exhibition, but I want it to feel like a zine. So I've printed everything out and then a bunch of different versions to use as backgrounds. So I'm basically just gonna cut out these people where the lighting's normal and paste them onto the ones where I've edited all the colors and stuff like that. And just see what works, what looks cool. I think ultimately in the end I'll have some. Good morning. It is shockingly the morning. It's 11:39. Normally on Thursdays I have class from 12 to 3 and 3 to 6, but my 12 to 3 class has an assignment due. Because I have this assignment due, I'm not actually going to the class that is from 12 to 3, and last week I was gonna skip because I had a lot of homework to do last week, but then my professor asked me to lead the class because he was gone, and he was like, why don't you essentially teach the class tomorrow? So I went last week even though I wasn't going to. So I think I deserve to skip this week. It's the 8th week. This is my first time skipping. Anyways, I'm skipping class to work on this assignment. I'm gonna work on it now, and then I'm gonna take you to class with me for my second class, and then I'm gonna probably keep working on it in the evening, and hopefully I'm relatively close to finished by late this evening. Work is hard for me. Writing work, really, not even academic, just writing work is difficult. Surprise! Back at home. Who would have thunk it? I went to class, it got out early. I didn't film in it because that felt kind of invasive and inappropriate in a way. So now I'm here, and I feel really gross. I also felt nauseous on Tuesday. And it's hard to tell whether this is like stress and anxiety nausea or the weather. Yeah, basically, I feel like shit. But regardless of how I feel, I still have homework to do. Because one, from the tension of the habit, they that's all really. This lipstick my grandmother gave me, my Oma in Belgium. I'm pretty sure. She said the color didn't suit her, so I took it. The color also doesn't really suit me, but it matches the color pretty well, if you see.
shot. Can I get a swish?
Swish.
Yeah, that was good. This is like the. And now, just look at me. I'm beautiful, and just don't look up because the light is gonna blare into your face. And look, and just look, just behold. And you at home, you can do this too. But you're not gonna look as good as me.
Okay, let's put on the nun costume. Yeah. Do you care though?
No.
Great.
I mean, actually, do I care?
I don't know if I'll look in the mirror and tell me if you care.
Oh, I see. I don't fucking care. I don't give a fuck. Let's go to this party. Let's eat Subway.
Hey guys, we're walking to the Halloween party.
You're in my house, vlog. So welcome.
I make a good drink.
To my crib.
I wish it was in the vibe zone.
Is.
Isn't it terrible?
Now you're in the vibe.
So bad.
But it's
This is my best job.
It's gotten me.
right because it like in a couple minutes.
Riding high, leaving trails of smoke across the sky. On a room, glad that I am safe within my room. I know my girlfriend is a witch. Smells fill the air. I think I hear footsteps on my stair coming near. Her thoughts are telling me that she's here. I know my girlfriend is a witch.
As
But
an
to be
in-depth
fair,
showing
I
of
did
her.
not know you were going to put 35 books on that shelf.
So I don't care about baseball. I'm not gonna run to the screen.
We just got on first base. This is huge. This is huge.
I still don't care about baseball. I'm not gonna run to the screen.
It's the World Series. He really should.
What is he saying?
He says he doesn't care about baseball.
People are strange when you're a stranger. Faces look ugly when you're alone. Women seem wicked when you're unwanted. Streets are uneven when you're down. When you're strange, faces come out of the rain. When you're strange, no one remembers your name. When you're strange, when you're strange, when you're strange. People are strange when you're a stranger. Faces look ugly when you're alone. Women seem wicked when you're unwanted. Streets are uneven when you're down.
You think they're about to call number 9? 789? I think it's possible.
I think you might need to start believing in God.
Yes. Yes.
Oh my god.
I'm boxing.
So, the fact that when I asked, do you believe in God, your number was called, does that make you believe in God?
Can I hold on to your hat?
Yes, please don't lose it.
I don't believe in God.
Yeah.
God, did you see their 3-point plan?
Can you read it out to me, Jack?
Throw an impressive Halloween party, invite cool people with connections, and get them fucked up. That's us. I mean, I'm cool. I don't have connections, but I'm cool. You have connections.
Look, you work like a job that
You're not
pays
cool,
you.
but you have connections.
Yeah.
I've learned the lesson of all that's found fair. Love is forged in fire, water, earth, and air. The spell is cast, how long it lasts, I cannot divine. The road is there, and so I dare to risk this heart of